Mike. This video demonstrates a new Spacecraft Design Toolbox function for creating an ascent vehicle for a lunar mission with a crew. It is part of our low-cost lunar mission project. The ascent vehicle fits on a medium-sized launch vehicle and borrows technology from Apollo. The function uses geometric primitives in the toolbox to create a model. The user inputs the density of the material in the walls and the thickness of the walls. The function also computes the inertia matrix, center of mass, and mass of the model. Here is the help. So this shows you how to use the function. We get a demo by typing the name. And you can see at the upper left-hand corner, it's the inertia matrix, the mass, and the center of mass, and you can rotate the model around. You see it looks a bit like the Apollo lunar module. Now you can integrate this into other functions with the toolbox and build your own spacecraft up using this. Now I'm going to add this to a model of the fairing for the Vulcan. This is the CAD viewer in the bottom. Let me rotate that around. And I hit structure, which makes the structure transparent. And there you can see the model sitting on top of the landing part of the vehicle, the lander, and showing the rocket engine. You can also export this model into Wavefront OBJ files if you choose. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.